Now I'm taking next question. Find the equation of the straight line which is mid parallel to straight lines 3x plus 4y plus 5 equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y minus 17 equal to 0. So these are four options: 3x plus 4y minus 6 equal to 0, 3x plus 4y minus 22 equal to 0, 3x plus 4y minus 11 equal to 0, and the fourth option is 3x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. I am drawing here the figure first. These are two given lines L1 and L2 which are parallel to each other, and according to the question you have to calculate the equation of third line which is mid parallel to these two given lines. Mid parallel of these two given lines, it means the line which is parallel to two given lines and are equidistant from two given lines. So if we take the distance between L1 and L as PQ and the distance between L and L2 as R and S. So these two distances, that is PQ and RS, are equal. This PQ is equal to RS. This is the question. Given condition PQ equal to RS, then you have to calculate the equation of the straight line L. Here it is given two parallel straight lines are 3x plus 4y plus 5 equal to 0, and the second equation is 3x plus 4y minus 17 equal to 0. Because lines are parallel, so every time the slopes are equal, and if slopes are equal, then a and b we can put same as the previous equations, the coefficient of x and y. So we can take here, let the equation of line which is parallel to both 1 and 2 is be 3x plus 4y plus c is equal to 0. Now this third line is equidistant from both 1 and 2. So we'll use the distance between two parallel lines. Here given a PQ is equal to RS. So now we'll calculate the PQ using the formula, the distance between two parallel lines. The formula is mod C1 minus C2. So to calculate the PQ, which is the distance between L1 and L, that is the first line and the third line. So here the first line is 3x plus 4y plus 5 equal to 0, and the second line is 3x plus 4y plus c is equal to 0. So the PQ will be 5 minus c upon root under 3 square plus 4 square mod equal to RS, which is the distance between the required line and the line 2, that is the line 2 and line 3. So we'll use here the line 2 and line 3 is minus 17 minus c upon root under 3 square plus 4 square. So you will get mod 5 minus c upon 5 is equal to mod minus 17 minus c upon 5. Now when we will remove the mod, we will take here plus minus on any one side, and then this 5 and this 5 get cancelled, and so you will get finally 5 minus c is equal to plus minus minus 17 minus c. Now one time we will take positive sign and one time we'll take negative sign. So I'm taking here first positive, taking positive sign, we will get 5 minus c is equal to minus 17 minus c, and this minus c get cancelled, and you get 5 is equal to minus 17, which is not true. It means by taking positive sign we won't get any value of c. It means we won't get any line which is mid parallel to those two lines. Now we will take negative sign, taking negative sign. So you get 5 minus c is equal to minus 17 minus c. 5 minus c equal to 17 plus c, and finally we'll get c is equal to minus 6. We get minus 6. So therefore from third equation of required line is 3x plus 4y minus 6 equal to 0. And hence from the given options you can see your correct option is 3x plus 4y minus 6 is equal to 0. That is equation number 1. So answer is the option number 1. Student, I solved this question by using the distance formula, that is the distance between the two parallel lines. But there is a shortcut. There is shortcut method, and this shortcut method is that the equation of the line, parallel line, which is mid parallel to the two lines, and those two lines are given parallel lines. Then we'll put same A and B, and we will take the average of 2C. Those 2C which are given in two equations, those 2C will take the average. Like if two parallel lines are given as ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 equal to 0, then the equation of mid parallel line is, this is ax plus by plus c1 plus c2 by 2 equal to 0. This is the shortcut. We will write the same a and b, and for the c we will find the average, we will find the mean of those two given c's. So using this formula you can calculate the equation of mid parallel lines in very easy manner.